Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the rest of the puzzles in this puzzle page of the weekend edition. It's the edition of Saturday, July the 15th, 2023. It's today, Sunday, and usually on Sunday I will start with the additional of the weekend edition, but there's no additional in this newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page of Saturday of yesterday, and I will continue with the rest of the puzzles of last Monday, I believe. Yeah, last Monday we have also some puzzles, 3 puzzles left, but let me solve this one first. This one will be number 6760. 6760. And before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Well, this one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1-star puzzle of the additional. 1-star has 27 printed digits. This one has one more, 28. So I should be faster than 50 minutes. But we will see. Alright. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. How about here? We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then. Let me see. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Right. Okay. And now. 2, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 in this box. Here, 2 in the third row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait. How about the number? I need a 6 here. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 6. Well, we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 1 and 7. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, and 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now. 1, 1. I need a 5, I need a 6, okay. Need a 1 here. 1. Yeah. Should be a 1 here. 1 there, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square, and one of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this first row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. 6, 5, 4. Okay. Now. 1, 4, 7. Okay, 4, 4. Need a 7 here. 7. 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 4. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the first row for the number 5. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Need a 5 here. Okay. Then 6. Come on. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4, 7 and a 1. 4, no, 1, 7 and a 3 is missing. Okay, well, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. Okay. Let me see. The 2. Do we have all the 2s? Yeah, and all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. How about the 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in this row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1. Should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now in the second column. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 1. Alright. Then 7 and the 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Oh wait, 1 number left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish. 13 minutes. Alright. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. In this puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.